Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, January 13th, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We got clobbered again today. I mean, really clobbered hard again. I'm glad I didn't predict what was going to happen today. I probably would have predicted that the Dow was going up, but I didn't predict it, okay? Anyway, the Dow really fell out of bed today, closing down 364 points and closing darn near its low. This looks pretty grim. I'm looking at the charts going back a ways, and in the last 2 weeks, this thing has fallen about 1,700 points, and I don't see a lot of support down here. I mean, I think we've run out of my red lines. So it's kind of anybody's guess. I do think it's going to turn around, but I don't have good predictions except, when and what's going to push this thing. It's definitely the sellers have the advantage right now. And they certainly did today. We had negative equity coming in, but it got a lot worse. We only had 5 positions. That's what's disgusting. And we ended up closing out negative $9,000 on just 5 positions. That's pretty bad. You can see what happened here. This thing actually opened positive. And then, interesting enough, it actually tested those highs from yesterday. I thought maybe it was going to go through those and scream. No, it tested those highs and then just fell apart. And it fell apart all day long. And unlike yesterday where it fell apart but then it came back at the end of the day, this just kept going and going and going. As I say, closed very near its lows, down 364 points. So very bad day for the Dow and a very bad day for us. I don't have anything positive to show you. I think that's obvious. I will show you the worst trade of the day was in Agios Pharmaceuticals. We had a pop up yesterday. We bought that. Then it really went against us. I mean, we were down like $8,000. This was yesterday on this, and it did come back, and it actually popped up this morning, and this thing got pretty, I think it actually was profitable right up there. That's like the first 20, 25 minutes of the day, but then down it comes, and when we get stopped out there, we've lost $4,000. Yeah, this is a bad one, a really bad one. And of course, it kept going. I mean, I'm glad we got out, but still, $4,000 loss is a $4,000 loss. Very tough. And what was bad is we had 2 others here in JDST and Lululemon Athletica. They were almost as bad. So we had really 3 big losses today. That's very tough. I'm going to show you one that the only thing we got into today was EMES. That's Emergent Energy, and this was kind of interesting because it popped up here and we ended up buying almost a high tick of the day, and I thought, oh God, this is horrible. And then it goes against us. I think we were down $4,000, $5,000 maybe even down here. Looked absolutely horrible. It rallied, then failed again, and then look at this right at the end. It just screams. And so we're only down about $800 on this thing, but with this thing right at the end of the day, makes me think we might get out of that with some profit. Who knows? We'll just have to see. Anyway, I got to be optimistic when nothing is going good. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.